Hello everyone, welcome back to another Let's Talk Crochet Tuesday. Today we're diving into something we all deal with, and that is leftover yarns. So they pile up really fast. So I'm going to just share with you some few things. And recently I made a beautiful sun art, a summer hat, using my scrap yarns. So I'm gonna just show you the yarns real quick, and also the finished product. When I finish crocheting with all the scraps, I'm just gonna show you that real quick. As you can see, it came out, all the scrap turned into a very beautiful summer heart. And so there are so many things you can do with your scrap yarn. So today we're going to discuss things you can do with the leftover yarn. I'm going to share with you some functional and fun ways to use your leftover yarns. You can make beautiful coasters, you can make keychains, bookmarks, granny squares. They are really good for granny squares a lot. You can also try to organize this leftover yarns by colors. So you just find colors that are more the same theme, or colors that are more closer to each other by tone, and you can just separate them in colors. You can pick from, you can make a smaller project, or you can just go and you can do a full, project like my own bucket hat, the one I showed you earlier, where you can, select a lot of colors together, even those that are matching and those that are not matching the colors together, and you just make a very beautiful big project with it. And even for the small piles of leftover yarns, there are so many great there's so many great projects you can do with that as well. I would love to hear from you. What do you do with your leftover yarns? Do you toss them away, or do you save all those leftover yarns, even the tiny ones? I want to know if you save them. And have you ever made something totally unexpected with your leftover yarns? Please let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comments. I would love to read your comments. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I love having this cozy crochet chat. Next Tuesday, we're going to be talking about our favorite summer yarns and colors. So get your starch ready and come and join the conversation next week. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your crochet bestie. See you in the next one.